Hi, welcome to a2zknowledge.com. So today we are going to discuss a topic in Python, how to read a JSON file in Python. So before we get into this, I'll just tell you some of an example, or I can say an use case in a layman term, why this is required in first place. So you can do all type of data processing and data analytics mainly in Python, and even more than that you can do, but still predominantly used with Python, we do analytics and data analysis and analytics. So here, the data source for this kind of an use case, you may be getting from database, you may get from a file or from web servers or application servers, or even you will get data from websites or even mobile applications. So if you see, if the data is comes in what format, you have so many sources from which you will get the data for your Python program. So, but what format it is? If it is a file, then what format it is, whether it's an XML file or JSON file or comma separated file or whatever the format is. So JSON and XML are widely used for transferring the data from one place to another. The reason is JSON XML files are lightweight files. And if you see in some technologies, people will use XML and JSON as a configuration files also, right? The reason they are lightweight and it will be very easy for us to generate huge volume of data on the wire in the format of JSON. So they are lightweight, and the full form of JSON is JavaScript object notation. So now I'm going to show you how to process or parse the JSON file. Rather than process, I can use the word parse. How to parse the JSON. So remove all the unwanted stuff from the JSON file and just retrieve only the data, whatever it is required, and then you do whatever the process you want to do with the data. That means you simply to say, I want to read a JSON file in a human understandable format, and then I want to do process on top of it. Now I'll just show you an example. Before that, let me show you the JSON file. So here I have a JSON. The main tag, JSON tag name is people, and in that I'm having a nested JSON in which I'm having three columns. That means like name, website, and from. So the name is a key and Gautam is a value. Website is a key and a2zknowledge.com is a value. From is a key and India is value. Now I want to do a read and parse the information, and then we have to do some kind of processing. I'm just going to show you with the print statement, but in upcoming videos, let me show you how to process the data, the JSON data after we read, and what type of processings we can do. But now I just continue with my current program. So import JSON, the library is required, and then I'm just opening my file. So it's a general Python steps in which first we will open a file to even to read and write. First you need to open it, and I just pass my JSON file name here, and as JSON file is a name I'm giving for the file open, and then now data equal to json.load. You have to load the JSON file, and whatever the name I have given here, I'm giving here JSON underscore file, and I'm loading it. So whenever you just open a file to read, you have to iterate to get the content. So I just write a for loop for p in data people. So this people is nothing but your JSON main topic name, and then I'm iterating it p of name. So p is something that I use as a variable name for my iteration loop, and p of name, p of website, and p of from. So all these are keys that you have in your JSON file. Same way we can do it for an XML, but I'm just telling you an example. So then once you retrieve this information, you with those data, you can do whatever the processing you want to do with the data, you can do, or you want to store it in a DB, as you can store. You can parse the JSON file and store the data into a DB is fine, or you do some processing on top of it is also fine. But the very first step to parse a JSON is to read and parse it, get the elements what you want. So, as I told you in my upcoming videos, I'll give you more example towards the JSON file processing. And thanks for watching a2zknowledge.com. If you really like this video, please subscribe my channel and forward this to your friends and colleague. Yeah, I just missed to run this program. Yeah, I'll just run it, and you can see the output is already here. So the name and the key, website, and the value from which is key, and India is a value. So I'm just passed it in a human readable format. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and we provide videos in two languages, English and Tamil, and we have more videos like not only Python, we have other tech videos as well. Please go to my channel and have a look, and I have shared my LinkedIn URL and Instagram URL, so please connect through that, and if any videos updates and any workshop comes, we will inform you. Thanks for watching a2zknowledge.com.